So check this out. This is Neewer's portable slider. Neewer did not send me this. I bought this with my own cashola. It costs around 50 to 60 bucks. And I have been using this for weddings, for like the detail shots, the rings, the shoes, the bouquet. And this thing works really, really well. It's portable. It's not motorized, so you are the motor by pushing or pulling, and you can increase and decrease the speed by adjusting the tension on these little wheels right here. And so the cool thing is it fits on my backpack very easily, just like so. So if I don't use it, it's not getting in the way. It's not like I'm carrying it around, or it doesn't feel like I'm carrying it around. It only weighs about 1.5 pounds, and it comes with 4 legs, a ball head mount, a cell phone mount, and a little pouch. I don't use any of that stuff. I have it set with a capture clip peak design plate on here, and the way I use it is I attach it to the tripod like so, then I mount the camera, and we are good to go. Look at this. Check this out. Buttery smooth. Now we can increase and decrease the tension, make it go kind of fast, or make it go a little bit slower. Now the travel distance is around 12 inches, 13 inches, but look at that. Sweet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set things up and we're gonna use it right now. Okay, so this is the setup. We got our camera, our slider, tripod, a light, another light over here in the back, and our background, just a looping waterfall. And our first victim will be Mr. Ryu. So we're gonna place Ryu right about here, and then we're gonna manually focus. Now the lens that we're gonna be using is going to be 50mm 2.5 macro lens. And so yeah, let's see how this is gonna look. And so here we go. Let's pull it out to here, hit record, and there we go. Dude, that looks awesome. Okay. And then we're going to keep doing it with a bunch of other victims and see what we get. Dude, this slider is awesome.